In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to handle file uploads in Base44. We'll walk through a simple, practical flow, adding a file upload component, configuring what kinds of files you want to accept, letting your users choose a file, and then saving that uploaded file so you can use it later in your app. By the end, you'll understand not just what to click, but why each step matters. Start by opening your Base44 app editor and going to the screen or board where you want users to upload files. In the component panel, look for the file upload component and add it to your layout. Place it somewhere that makes sense in your form or page. For example, near other user input fields like text or drop-downs. This component is what will allow users to pick a file from their device. Next, configure the file upload settings. One of the most important options is the accepted file types. Here you can specify things like images, PDFs, or other document formats. Limiting the accepted types helps prevent users from uploading files you don't support, and it keeps your data more consistent. For example, if you only want images, you might restrict it to common image formats and avoid large video files. Then set the maximum file size. This protects your app from huge uploads that could slow things down or exceed your storage limits. Think about a reasonable size based on your use case. For profile pictures, you typically only need a few megabytes at most. For documents, you might allow a bit more, but it's still good to have a clear limit. You'll also see a setting for allowing multiple files. You can turn this on if you want users to upload several files at once, or keep it off if you only want a single file per submission. Choose the option that matches the workflow of your app. Once the component is configured, Base44 will store the selected file in a variable when the user picks it. This means that as soon as they choose a file, your app can reference it in actions or workflows. To complete the process, connect this to a submit button. When the user clicks submit, trigger an upload action that takes the file from that variable and sends it to your storage or file handling service. After the upload completes, make sure you capture the resulting file URL. Save this URL to your database, link to the relevant record, such as a user profile or a specific item. Storing the URL instead of the raw file keeps your database clean and lets you easily display or download the file later anywhere in your app.